All right, the last example here for section 11.2 is, again, we want to find all the zeros of this function here, f of x, and they do give us a little hint. They give us that one of the factors, or I'm sorry, one of the zeros is 2 plus I, so that's nice of them, isn't it? So we know that one of the zeros is 2 plus I, which means that we know two zeros. The other one must be 2 minus I. But what about the others? And check this out. I do know that because the power is 4, because of the fundamental theorem of algebra, that tells us that the highest power tells us how many roots or zeros and how many factors there are. So I'm already halfway there. I know that one of them is 2 plus I, and I know that the other is 2 minus I. So really, all we have to find is 2 more. And what better way to do this than just to graph this on Desmos and see if we can find out what they are. And so I actually did that already right here. And as you can see, when you graph it, one of them is 4 and the other one is -1. So 4 and -1. And there we go. So I know that this example in the book takes up 2 pages, right? Like they go through this crazy elongated thing, but let's use the power of a graphing calculator. Let's use what we know about, oh, look, it's a conjugate pair, 2 plus I, 2 minus I. So, but there's also the very long way by using synthetic division and all that kind of stuff. But I think that we want to use what we know and apply it to this problem there. So that's all it is.